Shiba Inu Coin just got listed on the Robinhood of Europe. Here's why it's a big deal. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. I'm going to be setting a like goal of 250 likes for this video. I know we can hit that. That's very attainable. Hit the like if you haven't already. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu Coin, use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1 on Public, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest in the Shiba Inu Coin on the same platform, because you can trade Shiba Inu Coin on there. So do that with that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com. We can see that we're only down 1% today, even though if you take a look here at the global crypto market, pretty much everything is just down a ton. Ethereum's almost down over 4,000 or under 4,000. Bitcoin is under 50,000 right now. Just not a good day, not a good week in crypto in general. So the fact that Shib is only down 1% when the overall crypto market is pretty bearish at the moment is good to see, in my opinion. We're going to be going over technical analysis and then kind of an overall market overview, and then also we're going to be going over two different pieces of news coming out for Shiba Inu Coin, including an exchange listing as well as a possible speculation on a Robinhood listing. So different exchanges, we're going to be discussing those today. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video to see all my analysis on that. Okay, and I want to mention this in case you guys didn't watch my video earlier today. I made one on this. Basically, a whale just bought 8 trillion Shib coins, and Watcher Guru is saying that a giant Shiba Inu whale buys $290 million worth of Shib. Robinhood, is that you? A lot of speculation about Robinhood trying to load up on Shib. This Shib whale has been named Hulk. I don't know why they would name this Shib whale Hulk, in my opinion, if it was Robinhood. But Robinhood is going to need, if they are going to list it, they are going to need to have a ton of Shiba Inu Coin. And they did have that meeting yesterday, according to my source, and then obviously the source at Shib Reports. So possibly they had that meeting yesterday, and they decided, hey, we do want to list Shiba Inu Coin and have to buy 290 million worth of it. Maybe that is what's happening, but I just wanted to kind of speculate there. Nothing has been confirmed for Robinhood listing just yet though, so keep that in mind. The second piece of news I want to go over is the Bitstamp exchange listing, and why it's such a huge deal for Shiba Inu Coin. So this is going to be coming from Watcher.guru, which is an amazing website, guys, and Twitter account. We get a lot of stuff from there, and they do a lot of great stuff, especially on Shib. I definitely recommend them. Bitstamp announced they're listing Shiba Inu on their platform, and investors can buy and sell Shib on their app with ease. Along with Shiba Inu, Bitstamp is also listing all those other cryptocurrencies. Nonetheless, Bitstamp experienced technical difficulties while listing Shib and are rectifying the issue. It is expected that Shiba Inu will go fully live on Bitstamp a few hours from now. It is fully live now, if you guys were wondering. Shiba Inu getting the listing on Bitstamp is a really huge deal. It has achieved the feat in less than 2 years of its inception, while other coins failed to get listed on exchanges. Basically, Shib was trying to get launched on Bitstamp, and obviously we were just buying so much of it that they were having some technical problems. So that's really good to see there. Here's why Bitstamp listing Shiba Inu is a great deal. Bitstamp isn't just another trading platform out there on the market. For the uninitiated, Bitstamp is the Robinhood of Europe and is the most trusted and user-friendly application that customers rely on. In fact, Bitstamp is the largest exchange in Europe and boasts 4.4 million users worldwide. It is also expanding its footprint in the United States and will slowly eat up the market share across America. I mean, that's a bit of speculation there, but while users in the US have some bitter differences in terms of operations with Robinhood, European users are content with Bitstamp. Bitstamp was the first exchange in Europe to allow cryptocurrency trading and knows the trade inside out. Since they've allowed investors to transact crypto since a decade, Bitstamp is a go-to exchange for users in Europe. Therefore, Bitstamp listing Shiba Inu is a great deal and will open an influx of new investors into the Shib fold. The new listing has thrilled the Shiba Inu community and will introduce many more first-time buyers into Shib. Those Shiba Inu didn't make it to Robinhood yet, it has made its way to the European version of Robinhood. So basically, what does this mean? This means that we're getting another 4.4 million users that possibly weren't in Shiba Inu before that can be in Shiba Inu. Obviously, not everyone is going to buy them, and it doesn't mean that everyone is going to buy $1,000 to $100,000 worth, but it does open us up to the possibility of getting some more whales in there in Europe, and a bunch of other possibilities as well. So it's really good to see that we are on the European version of Robinhood here, and this is going to be massive, especially since we haven't got that Robinhood listing yet. This is something to hold us over while we wait. Okay, so now let's get into the global crypto market. The reason that Shiba Inu Coin is down right now is because we don't have much news coming out on it that's like massive. So the fact that we are down in the crypto market, if you just look at the last 7 days over here, you can see that the crypto market has just been in a terrible place. Bitcoin is up technically today. Ethereum is almost below $4,000 though, and it has kind of just been on a rocket ship downwards. Definitely not a lot of good price action here for Ethereum, but when we come down here to look at Shiba Inu Coin, I'm pretty proud that they're only down 1% considering the different altcoins above them, all down 4 to 5%, so good to see there. One thing I do want to see is that this volume does go up. It is up 4% over the last day, but I'd like to see this volume get to the 3 to 4 billion mark by tomorrow. That's a pretty lofty goal, but I think it's possible to achieve. So yeah, I really want to see this volume go up. And alright, let's talk about technical analysis. So obviously if we zoom out super far, we can see that the RSI is sitting at about 46, which is going to be between oversold and overbought. There is a possibility of a run up now, considering we aren't near the overbought territory, but it probably couldn't get much above the 37 level. Currently we are about to start a trend back up on the MACD. So we had this big sell off this morning, but it's looking like we are recovering here nicely, and that the MACD will start trending up. The RSI will most likely get to about the 60 to 70 area before cooling off. Personally, I'm looking at a support here at the 32 level and possibly the 33.5 level. I'm looking at a resistance here at the 40 level and then possibly at the 37 level. So basically two resistances, 37 and then 40. The two supports are the 33.5 and then the 32. So those are what we're looking at today. I think for the rest of the day we'll probably be trending up, just considering we're about to start trending up on the MACD and the RSI isn't too overbought yet. But yeah, I just wanted to make a video on Bitstamp, the European version of Robinhood, and then a bit of an update on the Robinhood listing as well. I just want to keep you guys as up to date as the information that I have. So I hope I did that for you guys today. If I did, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have so we can see how strong the Shib army is. Make sure you get that free stock with that first link in the description. Just see how much free stock you can get. It's like a little game. You get to gamble. It only costs $1. So do that with that first link in the description. But that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.